In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a damaged or broken center crisper drawer on your Whirlpool refrigerator. When replacing the crisper drawer, you'll need to transfer the drawer front, roller wheels, and roller axles from the old part to the new one. If you need to buy a new crisper drawer, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. With the door open, remove the crisper drawer by pulling the drawer out until it stops. Tilt up and out to remove. To remove the roller axle and wheel, use a needle nose pliers to pinch the two retaining tabs on the axle while pushing the axle out. To remove the drawer front panel, depress the two locking tabs on the bottom of the drawer and pull the front panel off the drawer. When shopping for a new crisper drawer, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. This part is location specific, so make sure you're ordering the correct one. The drawer does not include the front panel, roller wheels, or roller axles, so you'll need to transfer it from the original or order separately if needed. To install the front panel, first insert the tabs on the drawer to the notches on the front panel. Then push until the panel snaps into place. To install the roller wheel, align it in the retaining slot. To install the roller axle, align and push it in the hole until the retaining tabs snap into place. To install the drawer, first insert the rear into the rails, lift up on the front, and push it closed. And that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.